How to sync Microsoft Forms with Excel natively. Hey everyone guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are still going into Microsoft Forms and manually clicking download to Excel every single time you want to see new responses, you're wasting a ton of time. Doing it that way gives you a dead, static file. Today, we are building a live cloud synchronized Excel spreadsheet that automatically updates itself the exact second a new response comes in. Let's set it up. Right, so to get a true live sync, we have to flip the normal process completely on its head. Instead of starting inside Microsoft Forms, we are going to start inside your cloud storage. So guys, let's open up our OneDrive like this. There you go. You can also go ahead and open up your files. Navigate to the folder where you want to keep your data. Say I will just choose this one. Look at the top menu bar and then click the new button drop down, create to upload, and then select Forms for Excel. If you don't see that, it's probably just renamed. Choose Excel Survey and click on it. And the platform will instantly spin up a blank Excel spreadsheet in the cloud and automatically open up a brand new linked Microsoft Forms design window right next to it. There you go. Close this, and there you go, we have our forms. So why do we do this? Because launching it from OneDrive forces the backend, our database, to hardwire the form and the spreadsheet together forever. And now we can just start building our form just like normal. You can just add new right here, choose choice. So just like we have it here, right? We have here, as you can see, the choice, same here, and choose the kind of choice you want. All of them are still present here. I'll just choose a choice. Okay, and here you type in the name of your question, answers, right? So for example, we can just go yes and no, like this, required or not. So just pretty much customize it, rename it, and then there you go. And after that, when you're finished, just press send, copy the link, and your form is now created within your Excel. That's it for this one, guys. As always, enjoy and see you in the next one.